So if you want to see Bangkok from a different way, you could think about taking a boat on the river. One affordable way to do this is the hop on, hop off tourist boat. Now we don't normally do tourist boats, but actually it's a great way to see some of the sights along the river. The Grand Palace is on the river, Wat Pho is not far from the river, Wat Arun, and here we are up in a park. I'm going to check. It's the Santichai Park, and it comes up as far as the boat, and you get to the Khaosan Road from here as well, and then it goes all the way down the river the other end to Asiatique it is, and the Iconsiam. So actually it goes all along the river. It's unlimited for one day, and we just paid 150 baht for that, and we found this beautiful park, a bit of peace and quiet. It's something different to do. If you've got kids with you, they're going to enjoy it. And anyway, we're certainly having fun on the boat today.
Where are we going?
The Grand Palace today.
So are you dressed properly?
Yes.
Okay, that is correct.
Correct. Or a long skirt.
That is correct.
No bare shoulders. No scarves on.
So here we are in beautiful Thailand. If you want to carry on following our midlife backpacking adventures, because we've only just got started,
So don't forget to subscribe and push the thumb up and ring the bell like that you're not going to miss any kind of video.
so bye for now and we'll see you soon.
Bye!